Hey guys, welcome back to the Dad of All Trades channel. Today, we're going to be reviewing a new pocket knife that I just bought. It's called a Gerber Flatiron. I like it pretty good so far. I haven't had it for long, and I like some other Gerbers too. So, y'all stay tuned. We'll check it out, see what we think. Hey guys, so here we have the Gerber Flatiron. I know you've probably seen it around. I know I'm not the first one to review this thing, but when I saw it, and I've seen the new style, or new style to me anyways, people having the cleaver style knives, I was like, man, that thing's pretty sweet. And that Gerber, I do like a Gerber. This has been my everyday carry for a while now. It's a Gerber also. And I like the scales on it. It's just got a good feel. You can see it's well worn. I had it in a different view, or a different video, sorry, where I was reviewing a knife that I did. I think it was in that video, but anyways, you can see it's used a lot, and I really do enjoy it. It's been a good carry knife, and I'm not getting rid of it by any stretch. But let's get back to what we're here for, the Flatiron. And this thing's pretty sweet. I've watched a little bit of reviews on it myself, and a lot of people didn't like it, for an assortment of different reasons, but it seems to me that that is due to the original version where things were difficult with it. This version seems to be an updated version. The original had the aluminum. Seems like the updated version has the G10 scales, or scale, I should say. Also got the Gerber on it. But man, this thing is slick. Where to start? The outside is grippy. It does feel different than this one. You can see it's kind of got actual texture on it. There you go. That's one of the selling points on this knife, was the texture. This one I thought would be good too. It's different. It's definitely more grippy than this one, but it's not bad. It's pretty good. It's got the, like everybody said, the stone-washed finish. Actually looks just like a scratched up blade to me. It's not my favorite. I do enjoy this, just this plain gray look. I like that finish more so than this. It's kind of too much. It's all over the back. That's not my favorite selling point of this knife. There's other things I do like better about this knife. So we go to here and we got the thumb hole. Apparently this logo here and the thumb hole used to be switched. Now they're here, and man, this thing opens easy. I've seen a lot of people complain about that. This couldn't be easier to open up. This thing's got this big old thumb button here. It works good. This works good too. So once we got it open, man, look at that blade. Well, that didn't tell us much, but it's beefy. It's got to be, well, more weight in the handle for sure. Man, that blade is heavy. This thing's all in the handle also, but man, that blade just, it feels heavy. Feels heavy forward. And you can feel it when you open it. You got to be careful too when you open it, because it does that. I don't know if you just saw it. As you can see, I've only had this thing for a little while. If it would focus, there's a couple spots already where this blade has come around. Luckily, they have rounded this corner. Otherwise, I'd probably have stitches already. Like, this thing is sharp. It will get you. But anyways, let's look back here. You got this lock on it. Keeps it from opening too much. And it's a little stiff, don't get me wrong, but it's not too bad. And I don't see it over opening. But that's what that's there for, to do. Keep it from doing that. This clip is pretty nice. My complaint is that the clip is not on this end. They could have figured out a way to put it on here, just like this one. This way, this won't open up in your pocket. It's riding in your pocket like this. you know, it can't open. It's not going to open in my pocket. I'm not going to reach my hand in here and find the point of the blade. You know, with this one, it's going to ride in your pocket like this. There's a chance that thing opens up. That's going to be a bad day because this dude's sharp. So you got to, that's my only complaint. You know, yes, the blade, I guess, in my pocket, say this is facing out like this. You know, I do plan on grabbing to this side of it, but that's my only complaint about the clip so far. Is it stiff? Yeah, it's stiff. But I don't know if this is on the other version. It's a little dent, but it helps. It helps with getting it on your britches. But you can also see down in here, this Gerber, which I don't even know the name of it. I just saw it at Walmart and liked it. You can see it's got white nylon Delrin bushings in it. And it's, I mean, it's smooth enough. It is what it is, you know. This thing has got some sort of a bronze. You can see the bronze bushing. The lighting, I know, is not the best. Sorry. There you go. They're round. You get the idea. I mean, this thing is like butter. It's slick. Very nice. I do really enjoy that. As far as the blade goes, if you look, it is a little lopsided, a little thinner here, a little fatter there. Looking towards the end, it does look almost a little bit flatter, but this dude's sharp. Yeah, people say it's not the best steel, but you know, if you're everyday carrying, you should be able to sharpen your knife up. You know, really. How many times do you use it all day, every day? I mean, you can hear this thing. It is sharp. I don't know if we can see. Yep, no hair. It is sharp, shaved like a razor. And this thing is sweet. Nice hollow grind, which you can see on the sides here. I really like that feature about this thing. As far as the centering, oh yeah, it's good. Looks good. Nice and clean. Overall, I'd say, man, this thing is nice. It's a little big, a little bigger than this one that I've been used to carrying for a while. I can't remember the exact length on it. So I would say, yes, it is a bigger everyday carry pocket knife, but something else to get used to. So just keep that thumb out of the way when you're closing this thing. If you have it wrong, it'll come back and get you. So let me show you opening and closing this thing a little differently when you take it out of your britches, because some people are complaining about that and complaining about getting this on your britches. So I'll show you just what little bit, like I literally bought it today. So from my little bit of experience with it, I'll show you how it seems to be for me. Alright guys, so here's the look when it's in your pocket. I do carry a flashlight all day, every day. As you can see, it's well worn, streamlight, pro tap. I love that thing. Best thing to carry all day next to your pocket knife. But here it is in my pocket. Getting it in and out, it's not bad. Man, this thing opens like butter. You know, like I showed, you pull it out, put it in. Man, it's a dream now. It's not bad at all compared to what people said about it. But I think it's the older version, honestly. So a couple things to look for is this shape instead of the little button. That's more on the second version. That's what you want. People before couldn't open it with two hands hardly, you know. It just opens and closes like butter. So that's just how that is, and people were complaining. It takes 30 seconds to get it in and out of your pocket. Or at least on your pocket. I don't think so. They said it's a smaller clip so people can't see it as much. It's a pretty big, wide looking clip compared to like that. So I don't know about being a little more inconspicuous, but oop, it's a pocket knife. You know, it is what it is. That's not even, no fingers, just opening it up. Or you. One thing I also didn't mention was this little grip right here. You can choke up on it really well, really nice. Get a hold. You could probably do some fine stuff with this thing. So that's just an example of on your pocket how that thing rides and how it opens. So far from this little bit, I like it. All right, guys. Well, thanks for watching. That's the Gerber Flatiron. So far, I really like it. I think I'm gonna like it. I don't see any complaints coming. If you have any complaints or anything, leave comments. Let me know. And you know, if it's something to look at, I'll try and take a look at it. You know, otherwise I'm gonna start carrying it and see how it goes. So once again, y'all, thanks for watching, liking, subscribing. You know the routine. And just thanks for watching. I really appreciate it.